Hi, and welcome to another edition of TraderCast's Daily Market Report. We are looking at the daily chart of S&P 500 cash price, and we can see that after initial pullback and almost a double bottom here, retesting this 1818, which was very close to our 1814 level that we were looking at last week, the price actually bounced back off that and created oversold bounce back. So I'm showing you the daily time frame purely because I would like you to pay attention to this level here, which is high, low, and also this cluster of highs and lows here at around 1903. It's actually 1906, 1903 level. As long as the price respects this level as a logical resistance and it doesn't break higher, potentially this oversold bounce back could be seen as only a retest of this fairly important support and now resistance area, potentially opening up the way for further downside to come. Alternatively, if the bulls push the price higher and break through and we have a confirmed breakout above 1906, 1903 level, then that opens up the possibility for a retest of further upside, maybe 1920, 1940. But what I'll do is I'll change the time frame and go into an hourly to show you that. Okay, so what we're seeing here is hourly time frame. We can see that trend is still intact in an hourly time frame. For hourly, it's still kind of bearish. But let's look at this a little bit closer. What I'm seeing here is potentially a double bottom here, close to this 1820 level. And this pullback was surprising for most of the market participants. It went a low quicker than anybody expected and deeper than anybody expected. So what we are seeing at the moment is fairly straightforward. The initial support for this current oversold bounce back is at 1876. A loss of that level and an hourly candle closing below that level could potentially target 1857, 1855 levels as a logical downside support. Only a loss of that level and a further selling pressure can potentially retest 1822 and even 1814 over the coming days. Alternatively, if the current levels hold and we see a breakthrough and a significant push higher, especially in early parts of next week, through 1900 level, 1900, especially above that 1903, and in particular 1906, which is our daily 200 period SMA level. So this zone here, 1900 to 1903 to 1906, and the price pushes through that and bulls take control, then potentially we could retest further upside resistance towards 1920 followed by 1940 levels. So even if we apply a basic fib, that would provide us with 50% at 1897, 1900, followed by 1916, 1920, cluster of these lows here, followed by 1940, which would be a really significant level, and that will be potentially a retest of this falling resistance trend line that we see on a daily time frame as well, and it's also close to our 20 period moving average on a daily time frame as well. So these are the levels.